know it's on the line, and you're gonna love it. We've been waiting.
First, you should take a video like this. Then add your video, and from the overlay section, add the photo of the green screen of the mobile. And go to the remove background section and go to the chroma key and select the green color and change the intensity and shadow until you get the better result. Take a copy of the original video and place it in the third layer. Now separate the subject from the background and erase the parts that come out of the mobile phone so that only the hands of the subject came out of the mobile.
Leave it all behind. We gotta leave tonight. Get away. Feeling kinda reckless when you're here with me. Baby, say the word and we can.
And then you increase the size of the subject when she is leaning forward so that it becomes more natural and looks like she came out of the phone screen.
Seeing all the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out, it won't be make believe. We run all the lights.
And then with the keyframes, we match the size of the subject image with the main layer. The more adding keyframes, the cleaner the work becomes.
Blonde waves crashing on me. As long as we're gone, it's where we belong. Maybe we're just passing through. Meet me at the hotel room. We've been busy sleeping. We could live our dream and dreams like it's right. Just go with the feeling. Take my hand. We'll ruin our plans. We'll leave it all behind. We gotta leave tonight. Get away. Feeling kinda reckless when you're here with me. Baby, say the word and we can disappear. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Let's get away. Seeing all the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out, it won't be make believe. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway.
You must take a screenshot of your Instagram post. With overlay section, put a photo of the Instagram post into the second layer. Then go to the mask section and set it to rectangle and click the inverse button. And adjust the subject image in the post box. Then make a copy of your subject's video and put it in the third layer. Select the upper body of the subject so that only the hands of the subject came out from the frame of the post. Then go to the sticker and select the heart sticker and place it on the like button. And choose an animation for it. I choose spring animation. So that's it. If you like to learn more editing tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and don't forget to share it with your friends.